Hey, blockchain users, this week has been quite crazy. We have been going up a lot, and today, well, the market has not changed much from yesterday. Honestly, the only thing you need to do right now would be to move the top of your 0.5 field level. And if you have not watched yesterday's video, do it and you will know exactly what's up with Bitcoin. So I want to provide you with some value. So instead, we're going to look at a bunch of shitcoins today that I think are looking strong. So let's get right into it. So I call them shitcoins and not cryptocurrency or something respectful like tokens. The reason I call them shitcoins is not just to entertain you, it's because I want to work with my own psychology. Now look at that. This is a chart for a gala. Let's say you fall in love with this project at a good time in, I don't know, November 2020, you buy into this coin, and then it just goes up and up. And at some point, you would end up with enough money to change your life. Maybe it would be, I don't know, buying a car, or maybe you had a bigger portfolio and you could even buy a house, or who knows, a multi-million portfolio. In any case, you don't sell. Because in your own head right now, you love this project and you want to see it thrive and go even higher, and you feel like you're part of something big. But then what happens is that you don't press that sell button and price just keep going down and down, and eventually you're stuck with broken dreams, no money, and just back to where you were. You could have changed your life, but you didn't. Instead, you are just part of something that is dying. So for this bull market, keep in mind that yes, we are buying these things, but at some point we will have to sell them to change our own lives or the lives of the people that matters to us. Okay, so first we have Ton Telegram coin. I've mentioned it in a previous video. I'm still in this one. I still think it's strong. It's probably the weakest one that I'm going to talk about, but the volume has been insane. The fundamentals are interesting, and it's barely holding above this zone of support here. Now, it's my weakest coin, so as I said, I'm being cautious. I want to see it close above these prices here, above about $6. That would be a signal that, yeah, right, it got a shot for the bull market. If it just like, fizzle out, I'd probably going to either reduce or cut it from my portfolio. Gaspa might just be my highest conviction play right now. So first we have higher lows, meaning that buyers are more and more aggressive. We bounced recently on the 0.5 fib level on high volume, meaning buyers are still there even with a big shakeout like that. We are fairly near the all-time high, meaning that soon there will be no resistance above. So basically this is a pretty good recipe for some neat gains as the bull market kicks off. Mantra is a beautiful looking chart. If we use a trend line here using all these lows, we can see that, well, it stayed above the trend line, but not just that, it was vastly above it. And you may see my chart and be like, oh, but Frank, it was a bit below the 0.5 fib level for quite some time. Well, actually, what you need to see here is that it's back above that 0.5 fib level, which is very good, and it's near its all-time high. And during that time of weakness for Mantra, it was making higher lows. Meanwhile, most coins look more like Ethereum that were in fact making lower lows. So compared to most of the market, Mantra stayed in a very strong position. Because of all that, definitely a coin that I'm very bullish on. A lot of value today. We've looked at three very strong looking coins, and I don't know for you, but as the bull market is about to begin, I want to be holding the strongest coin possible to make as much money as I can. So do the thing with the YouTube buttons, and I will see you next time.